Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make time go slower in Sims 4 Easy Method. First, enter live mode and pause the game to stop actions immediately. Next, select the 1/4 speed to make animations and needs progress much slower. Use the camera and free roam to observe details while time trickles. Finally, combine cheats or mods for finer control when needed, keeping saves before major changes to protect progress. Switching to 1/4 speed is the simplest way to slow Sims 4 without mods. Access the speed control in live mode and tap the 1/4 icon to reduce pace and lengthen interactions. This keeps routines and triggers active while giving you more time to plan or capture screenshots. It's perfect for storytelling, directing scenes, or managing complex households without breaking game systems or relying on external tools. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings weather, music, and voice commands to your gaming space and can cue playlists while you craft slow-motion scenes. It pairs naturally with Sims sessions for ambience and hands-free control. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Cheats and mods offer deeper control if 1/4 speed isn't enough. Start by enabling testing cheats true to unlock additional options, then test timescale mods that let you set custom multipliers below normal speed. Always read mod descriptions and install trusted files from reliable creators. Remember to back up your save so you can restore if something goes wrong. Small tweaks can create cinematic slow motion without harming gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.